Hello dear students, today we are solving some problems related to arithmetic progression as well as we have done in our previous class. In that class we have got idea how to find the sum of given arithmetic progression, up to n term. How to find it? We have practiced with two different formula. Yes. And about natural number also we have discussed there. Sum of first n odd natural number, sum of first n even natural number, yes, sum of natural number up to n term, in that way. Okay, it's okay. Today this is our first problem, where here will be the mixed type of condition. Here we have to use the n term formula as well, and we have to find the sum as well. No matter how the questions is instructed to us, we have to do on the same way to get right result. Okay, let's go here. Here if the fourth, here is fourth. Now don't be confused on terms, and means. Here if the fourth and 15th term of an arithmetic series is 11 and 44, that means here fourth term T4 equals to 11 and T15 is equals to 44. This thing. After that, find the sum of first 20 term, means first 20 terms, from T1 to T20. If we go on adding all the terms, what will be our result? That's our questions requirement. For this, here we have to introduce with being arithmetic series, we have to introduce which one is the first term and common difference, so we can work easily with formula. The thing I'll write first, or what the given thing is there, we can mention it first, and that supposition we can do later on. No matter. Here this is 4 terms, so that T4 is equals to 11, we can write like this, and T15 is equals to 44, we can write in short like this also. And after this, sum of first 20 term means as 20 is equals to what? Let A and D be the first term and common difference. If let A and D be the first term and common difference respectively, then that means we are supposing A as the first term and D as the common difference. Then now we can easily use the formula. Then let's go for first condition. Then by using formula, don't give the formula directly for the first time. Minimum one time the formula must be mentioned, so that I write like this: Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 d. It's our general term formula. And here we go for Tn, means now we go for T4, so that T4 equals to A plus 4 minus 1 d. It looks better, or T4, see, T4 means 11, we have its value 11, so let's place the value 11 here. A, we are not clear up to now, it's our first term, 3d. Now see here, therefore A equals to 11 minus 3d is our first equation. Now after this, let's try next equation from here. And now one time we have used the formula, means here directly we can do for 15, T15 equals to A plus 14 d. We have this idea, or T15 means 44, we have its value, and means A. See, from this equation A means 11 minus 3d, we can substitute here. 11 minus 3d, 11 minus 3d plus 14d. From where? From equation 1. Yes, after this. Or we can bring this 11 this side. 44 minus 11 equals to, let's calculate here. We have 11d, or from here 33 we have here 11d, therefore d equals to 3. We have calculated the value of d. Now let's substitute the value of d to equation 1. Okay, so let's write here. Now from equation 1 we get, yeah, a equals to 11 minus 3d means 3 times value of d is 3 equals to 11 minus 9 equals to 2. In this way we have calculated the value of a and d. Okay, now after this our main job is to find the sum of first 20 term. So let's go for it. Now Yossian. Okay, see, we have used this one formula here for the first time. So we have given here formula. After that we worked like this. This formula has been repeated, so we did directly, and this one formula again we are doing for first time. So let's mention, it will be better. Okay, Sn means n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 d. Or now why you have used this formula? To get the sum of first 20 term, so that n means 20, yes 20, so that here 20 by 2, then 2 times value of a, we have 2 here, 2 plus 20, n means 20, okay, 20 minus 1, and value of d, we have 3 here, so that 3 is equals to 20 divided by 2, we can write directly 10, 2 times 2, 4, 20 minus 1, 19, times 3, 10, yeah, here is 4, and this means 57, okay, 10, and this means 61, okay, we can give into as well as, that is 610. We have calculated the value of first sum of first 20 term. Okay, that is our required value from the given question. See, find the sum of its first 20 term is 620. Hence the required sum is 620. We must give conclusion. Okay, I give from here. Hence the required sum is 16. Yeah, I told 620. 16. Answer. Okay, let's see this problem. Here 14 term, okay, 14 term of an arithmetic series is 2. Means T14 is provided, yeah. And the sum of its first 10 terms, see, sum of its first 10 terms, two condition. Find the sum of first 25 terms. Find the sum of first 25 terms. Okay, now let's go ahead. Here 14 term, F-U-R-T-E-N-T-S, 14 term. We can just write T14 as well. Okay, that is 2. After that, sum of its first 10 term. Sum of its first 10 terms. Yes, 10 equals to minus 150. Find the sum of first 25 term. Okay, sum of first 25 terms. Okay, 25 terms. Yes, 25 equals to what? Also, we can also say that sum of first 25th term, yeah, it's okay. Let, let's write about A and D. Let A and D be the first term and common difference respectively. Then, okay, then let's use the first condition. Okay, 14 term T14 is given to us, means then by using formula Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 D, as I have told in our previous questions. Yes, for the first time it's better to provide formula like this, or T14 equals to A plus 14 minus 1 D, and T14 is given here, or 2 equals to A plus 13D, therefore A equals to 2 minus 13D as our first equation. Okay, now and let's make equation for second case. Okay, second condition, sum of its first 10 term means S10. So that let's give the formula for it. Sn equals to n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 D, or n means 10 here. Yes, so that S10 equals to 10 by 2 and twice A plus n means 10, so that 10 minus 1 D, or value of S10, value of S10 is minus 150. Minus 150 equals to, if we divide here, we will get 5. Okay, and this one bracket will be better, so that 2 instead of A, see what's the value of A? 2 minus 13D. So let's write here 2 minus 13D plus this is 9D, since from equation 1, or from here we can cancel here. Okay, so 5 3s are 15, 0 means minus 30. Now let's open bracket here. 2 times 2 means 4, plus times minus minus, 2 times 13 26, so D here, plus 9D we have here. We can bring this 4 also towards left, yeah, so that minus 30 minus 4, and here minus 26D plus 9D means minus 17D. Here we get minus 34, and here we have minus 17D, or D means 34 by 17. Directly also we can write D equals to 2. We have got the value of D. Yeah? Now from equation 1 we can get the value of A as well. Okay, so what I do, okay, here it's okay. Now from equation 1, A means A equals to 2 minus 13 times D equals to 2 minus 26 minus 24. Value of A also calculated. Yeah. Now after getting value of D and A, we can easily find the sum of first 25 terms. Okay, let's clear this much. Now S25, we have already used this formula here, so that we can do directly. Okay, S25, or you can use the formula as well, no matter. Okay, S25 means 25 divided by 2, n means 25 divided by 2. 2 value of A means here minus 24, Okay, twice a plus n means we have here 25. 25 minus 1, or directly write, you can write 25 as well. N means 1. D means here we have 2. Okay, this is the n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1d. Or if you want easier form, then copy the formula and then go ahead. Else you can do directly, but don't do confuse. Okay, don't be confused. 25 by 2 means it's common decimal, so we won't divide here. 25 by 2. Okay, here plus times minus minus 48, and here this is 24 times 2. 25 by 2. After that, this is minus 48. This one is plus 48. We have got there 0. 25 by 2 times 0 means 0. If we go on adding first 25 terms, then our sum will be 0. Okay, so that we must give conclusion this one. Now, hence, which is the required solution? We can also say like that, or hence the required sum of first 25 terms is 0. Where I write? Okay, let's give conclusion here. Like this. Hence the required sum of first 25 terms. First 25 terms of the series, also we can write of the series is 0. Okay, if you don't want to write this conclusion in this longer form, then better here which is the required sum. That's your answer. Okay, students, let's see this problem. Okay, if the sum of first 3 terms of an arithmetic series, okay, see, first 3 terms of an arithmetic series is 42, and that of the first 5 terms is 80. If here is written sum, then the language is saying that here as well sum, and that of first 5 term is 80. Find the 20th term. We are not asking sum, we are asking 20th term. What lies in 20th term? We have to find the 20th term of that respective series. Okay, let's start here. Here, sum of first 3 terms. Yes, 3 equals to 42. And that of first 5 terms. Yes, 5 equals to 80. We need to find the 20th term. 20 equals to what? If we calculate A, D, N is given. It means we can easily get the value of 20 term. Yeah. So that let A and D be the first term and common difference, then common difference respectively as well you can write. Then what we have to do? We need to use the first condition for this one, and again we have to get another one equation using this condition. Okay, so that let's go for this one. As n equals to, then by using formula you can write, by using formula Sn. Okay, Sn means n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 d, or see S3, so that S3 equals to 3 by 2 twice a plus 3 minus 1 d. Okay, or value of S3 we have 42 here, so 42 3 by 2 twice a plus 2 d. Okay, here also 2, here also 2. If we take common, these 2 will be cancel out. And here is 3, we can divide with by this 3 to this 42, okay? Or here from here how much? 3 times 1, okay? 12, 3 4 means 14 times 3 is 42, okay? And these two after taking common we can cancel out, okay? So that we have a plus d. I hope you are getting this one. This one and this one I cancelled, and this 2 and this 2 after common I cancel with this 2, okay? Therefore a equals to 14 minus d as a equation 1. And after this we are making another equation for this S5, okay? So S5 equals to 5 by 2 twice a plus 5 minus 1 d, or twice a plus 4d we can write. Or S5 means we have 80, yeah? So 80 equals to 5 by 2, then here twice a plus 4d. Now I can substitute this a means 14 minus d there, okay? Or after taking common I can cancel with this one, then I can substitute that value, okay? Or 80 equals to 6 12. Here also directly I can do like this. This one and this one will cancel out, yes? So that 80 divided by means 5 means 16. And these two after taking common here we have a plus 2d. Are getting or not? Okay. Or 16 is equals to, instead of a now I will substitute 14 minus d. 14 minus d plus 2d from equation 1. Or this 16 minus 14 directly I can write 2 equals to, here I have d, therefore d equals to 2. And after getting d equals to 2, that's from here. Now from equation 1, okay? Now from equation 1 we get a equals to 14 minus 2 equals to 12. Means first term also we have calculated and the common difference d also calculated. Now after this we can easily find 20 term. So let's do that. I have, okay, here I have the marker. Now we are asked 20 term, yeah? 20 term. Now Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 d, or T20 equals to a 12 plus n 20 minus 1, and d we have there 2. 12 plus this is 19 times 2, okay? After this equals to 12 plus 22 means 40 means 48, 30, 40, 50. Okay, clear? Hence, which is the required result, yeah? Or find the 20 term of the series. Hence, the required 20 term of the given series is 50. Hence, the required, better 20th required 20th term is 50. Answer. Okay. In this way we have calculated this problem to get the required solution. Yeah, I hope students you enjoyed here. If you keep on practicing, then any type of problems related to arithmetic progression or later on geometric progression will be too much easier, but practice is needed. Okay, without practice you cannot do easily. Keep on watching our videos in our YouTube channel Easy Learning Classes. If you are new visitor or new students to our channel, then I request you to see almost all the playlist. Okay, we are uploading frequently new videos related to the topics. As I teach in the class, in the same manner I am providing you the number of questions in each lecture. Okay, so I request you to watch the videos from beginning to till the end without any skip, so you can get more ideas here. And if you have not subscribed our channel, I request you to do like, share and subscribe our channel, and also please you can press the bell button to get the notification immediately when we post any new videos. Thank you, students.